Wala na to.
Bagsak na.
All down. Man down, man down. So yeah, I'm just recooking my chicken wings. And this is the outcome. Not bad. I tasted it and it's actually good. Ooh, for our sinigang as well. We got this. We got this for the sinigang. Also, our, what you call this one? Our sinigang sa hipon is also done. So, I'm just gonna mix that one and that's it. And that's our sisig. That's just like the pork belly, but we're gonna like make the sisig out of it later. Alright guys, so our what you call this one, Bistek Tagalog is done already. So that's our third dish. Our sinigang sa hipon is also done. We're only gonna put the bok choy on top when everybody is here, so that it's fresh and crispy. GG, sinigang! Alright guys, we're done with the sisig as well. And that's the sinigang. So they're gonna be here in like less than 10 minutes. So everything is all good. Even our wings, they're all here. I'm just like warming them up because, you know, I don't want them to be cold when I serve them later. And everything's all good. I'm all set and okay. Then we're just waiting for them. Ayan to,
mga vlogger eh.
kasi yun nga eh.
Game natin eh. Lapat eh. Dito pa lang sila. Ikaw mag-video ka ganda na.
Oo, ganda na. Huwag mo video ha. Kasi tayo ako mga kami.
Gusto ka bang
Yun na.
Iba ka din eh. Pak. Masyadong malamig.
Huwag mo lang kong palipasin.
Ay, iba.
Subukan kasi sa mga sinabi mo na dapat sa akin na tunay ko.
Ano ba post na na?
Ayaw niyo pa sabihin yung Facebook niya kasi nga dahil nga may sikreto siya.
Ay, IG ako. Ay, pinapalo niya ako sa IG.
Kasi nga, hindi ko section ano. Hindi may IG ako, may IG ba? Pero masyadong nagpo-post lang ako ng mga... IG daw, IG.
Sideline na nito.
Sa Facebook kasi masusong Facebook. Oy, hindi ko sabi ko sa kanya kasi inaano mo akong malaking tuwala ko sa... Hindi, pero alam mo lang.
Dipsy na, dipsy na. Wala na to.
Bagsak na.
All down. Man down, man down. Man down. Ito din to. These people right now. Man down, man down. Inang! May dentist pa yung anak mo? Iba ka talaga.
Uy, thank you. I love you.
I love you agad.
Oo. Pero mag-cautious ka mo. Hindi na nga ba yung hindi so. I'm so. Siyempre, si Leslie sa